Let's try the loop for just the first line first. It seems like the minute isn't changing, only the hour is changing. So I'll declare a loop variable called hour that's going to go through all of the hours. It'll start at 1, and will go as long as hour is less than or equal to 12, and we won't skip any. Inside, I want to print the hour, followed by a colon, followed by the minute. And I don't want to print it on a line, because all of the hours should go on the same line. Hopefully you notice that I'm using a descriptive name for the counter. That's because in a moment I'm going to have multiple loops, and it'll be hard to keep track of which loop counter is which if they don't have good names. Let's try this and see how far we got. If I fix the compile errors. Okay, this is a good start. We have the first line. Now the loop for the second line would look like this. The only difference is this number, the minute. So I'm going to add a loop that counts up the minutes. The minutes will go from 0 to 59, and for each minute I'll print out all of the possible hours with the current minute, which I'll pass into printf. So I can get rid of my comparison code down here. And let's see how that worked. Well, it's kind of hard to tell because it's all on one line. What I really want is to have a line break after I finish the first line. So after I've printed out all of the hours, I want to print an empty line to advance down to the next line. And now my table prints out. But there are a couple of issues here. It only goes up to 58, and I said it should go up to 59, and it looks like some is missing up at the top. The stuff that was missing at the bottom is because of my loop condition. I should have gone to less than or equals. And the parts that are missing at the top are probably because BlueJ has limited the amount of output that it remembers in the terminal. I'm going to try going to Options Unlimited Buffering, and then try this again. Now it actually saves all of the data that I wanted to see. All right, I think we're ready for another practice question.